This is WIKISPEED, December 19, 2024. Go ahead, Michael.
Okay, it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. Um, this past week, I continued watching videos for the Little Red Wagon project and getting Docker running. But I did not actually make any progress. I watched videos, I took notes, but I didn't actually do anything. And on the Christmas sign front, I got the sign done over at TechWorks. It has a lot of soot on it, which I wasn't expecting because I guess lasers do put soot on things. So I have to clean it up a little bit and do a little bit of touch-up paint before we frame it. But that's all I got done for the week. Next week, I am going to hopefully get a little bit of progress on the getting Docker running on my laptop, and the Christmas sign should be finished. And blocks, Christmas shopping, Christmas stuff, just normal kind of thing that's gonna happen for the next couple weeks, I imagine. Over to you.
Okay, Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I did it. I worked on this today for a while, and I was just at the point of trying to get the gazebo running in the VS Edit container, dev container facility. So the first thing he does is he puts RViz2 in and it fails, and then he shows you how to fix it failing. You have to do X something, and he does a couple of ways of doing that. So I think, well, we'll see. I'll let you know later, today or tomorrow.
Okay. Um, well, we should talk about this in crosstalk.
Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead. Continue.
and I also checked for any emails, but you were telling me that Team WikiSpeed, you can't email to that if you're not a member. So I put one of my secondary email on it. Uh,
Okay.
but I've only done it on one place, so I'm ready to roll it out in a bunch of places. And uh, that's it for that. Coming week is uh, I'm going to hope to get Gazebo working, and I want to jump to the Raspberry Pi and just me mess around with it. See if it'll load on the thing that I've already got in there, which is Raspbian, I guess, and also load the whole thing on my newer SD card, maybe get another SD card, whatever. Yeah, so that's coming week, and blocks are, it's just raining here. We've had storm after storm. Bomb cyclone last week, and today just really heavy rain. And like it's so dark. I think sundown is soon, but it's darker than sundown. Anyway,
Yeah.
those are the
Yeah.
blocks. Back to you.
Okay. I am going to give myself five, I guess, because I did get well, I didn't get anything accomplished, but I did make progress. So, nine for the team. We're continuing to get stuff done. And no process improvement until we make it to where we got to get to.
Okay, I might need a drink here for a second. I think I can do this. So it's um, 9 for me, 9 for the team. No process improvement. That's it. I'm stopping the recording and we'll do crosstalk, but I'm going to get a drink first.
Okay.